The Jiao Garden Police has issued a child abduction emergency for the entire northeast side of the Jiao Garden, the entire east side of the Jiao Garden, and the entire southeast side of the Jiao Garden, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Jiao Garden Police have been called about a missing Hero Jiao near Fetter, on the southeast side. The Jiao is identified as Zach, age 1, in Jiao years, actual age is 10 years, Hero Power Jiao, color is red. The suspect is a Jiao and is identified as Billy, age 3, in Jiao years, actual age is 30 years, dark normal Jiao, color is lime green. The suspect is heading for Athia, on the northeast side. If you have information regarding an abduction, you are urged to contact the police. A child abduction watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the northeast, east, and the southeast sides of the Jiao Garden.